Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. It's for the week ending May 2nd of 2021. The trade happened on Friday the 4th. The trade was COP. This is based on a 60-minute DBD with an entry on a 1-minute DSS. Be the tail. Management advanced and reward risk 2.0 to 1. Before we get to that, the free stuff this week, we have Monday night is the bi-weekly scanning night. Come by and join us. If you are a member at DTS, you will receive your login information on the day of the event. If you're seeing this on YouTube, you're not a member of DTS, hop on over to disciplinedtradingstrategies.com and figure out how to become a member. There's no cost. You don't even have to give a name, no credit card, just give an email. This is the daily chart of COP, and I like this. This overall strategy is just one of my favorites when it sets up. This is the reason it was chosen. It wasn't necessarily the best trade of the week, which they often are not. They're just one of the ones that I like to show as an example of some things to do. I know when you see these, they seem simple, but there's a lot behind that goes into each of these sentences that I'm saying, and sometimes it's tough to try to duplicate this. But you can always email me if you have any questions. Here's the daily chart, and the daily chart not only okayed the intraday short because this was a day trade, but it actually helped it quite a bit because in a sense we had a bit of a sell setup going on in the daily chart, and that's what it looked like. Not terribly critical there. There's the 60-minute chart, and this is one of my favorite type setups here. The day before already gave us an indication that we may be seeing more selling today, and then today we gapped down. We actually ended up gapping more than I wanted to. Initially it wasn't quite that much pre-market, and then it gapped down pretty much, so I had to wait for this one, and I may have never gotten it, but it came all the way back very nicely. There's the topping tail, and on the next chart we'll see the entry and the targets. That's where I got in, is just off that topping tail up at the top there. Here's the 5-minute chart where you can see it a little bit better, and it had that quick run up initially. There's where it opened, and I waited for it on that retest. I thought it was going to go higher, so I did wait for it, and it wouldn't have mattered probably if I would have taken it over in here with the tail. It would have probably had the exact same numbers, but it failed to go higher on that second attempt. Took it on the weakness there under 52.75 with a stop over 53, and this one was meant to take a quick target and then hold for the day. It dropped so quick, I ended up taking 3 targets all in the next approximately half hour or so. So target 1, wide range bar testing the low, that's the gotta take target. And then target 2 is maybe the questionable one, but as it turned out, I probably would have ended up taking this all anyhow because we went that fast in 30 minutes to 10:30 reversal time. It did go sideways this entire time, so I was kind of glad I was out of it. But then if I had that back third, it did make a nice drop into the close, almost another dollar into the close. The 1-minute chart just gives you a little better detail on the entry in the first couple of targets there. That's the opening. There is the entry right in there. You can kind of see that better on the 1-minute chart under 53. And then target 1 somewhere in there, and target 2 right in there. Target 3, of course, off this chart, as the chart doesn't go far enough as a 1-minute chart. Trades like this always discussed. They're on the morning list given to people. They're then on the hot list that we form between 9 and 9:30. And 95% of the time, the trades I'm doing are right from the discussed list, all pre-planned, all pre-organized, and we're just waiting for the right setups to take the appropriate trade. If you like trades like this, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. You can hop on over to the DTS website page, take a look at the Trading Room and Letters page, and you can figure out how to sign up. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.